This is Rockpal's 250-watt portable generator, a perfect emergency backup for your home, travel, and camping. Lightweight and compact size makes it an easy-to-carry device anywhere, best suited for outdoor trips and hangouts. The Rockpal's portable generator has upgraded 250-watt 2 AC outputs that can charge your laptop 3 to 5 times on the go. No need to worry about your mobile getting discharged during your pleasure trips. Provided with 2 USB output slots, this generator can charge your mobile phone up to 25 times. It takes care of your devices while you enjoy your favorite time. Love photography? Well, this power-packed generator has 4 DC outputs that can charge your camera batteries and drone batteries during your outdoor shoot sessions. Rockpal's portable generator can be easily charged through wall outlet, car, or by solar panels. Charge anywhere, anytime, as per your schedule. Adding more to the excitement, this generator can charge your skateboard too. No need to worry if your board lowers its battery where power is not available. Rockpals will surely come to your rescue. Rockpals, safe power you can trust for life.